What's up, Gearheads, and welcome to Gear Cafe Season 4. Guys, we're here for a video that I know nothing about. I'm a complete novice and I've never done this before, so I hope this is a good learning video for you guys to learn how to do things on your own bike, because it's definitely going to be one for me. This is a 1999 Kawasaki Ninja ZX7R, and it's got approximately 32,000 kilometers on it. Whoa. And I'm more interested on how to maintain it, take care of it, and a good rule of thumb is if you've never done it yourself, then it's best to do it and just check it to make sure the oil's in good conditions, your air filter's in good conditions, and the bike is running tip-top shape. Now, most of the stuff I showed you with the Ninja is going to be my first time doing it or a second time doing it, because honestly, I'm new to riding, and so far it's been fantastic. The community has been really great, really hospitable. But today I'm going to check out this air filter and show you guys how to remove it, how to put it in, and all that cool stuff. So I hope you enjoy. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to undo these mirror bolts on the side here, and these are a 10 mil. There's going to be 2 on either side. Now for the rest of the bracing for the front fairing, you have a 10 mil bolt right on this side here, and then as well on the opposite side. This actually connects your front fairing brace into the frame itself, so you're going to want to take that off as well. This will be the last piece, and then your front fairing will be pretty loose. This whole brace will actually be able to come off. Now that it's off, you just want to tip it back, and it's out. Now that we've got that out of the way, the last kind of piece to do up front is to get this kind of out of the way there, and you're doing the front tank bolts that go up here, and this actually holds the front of the tank on. These are a 5/16, or I'm pretty sure an 8 mil will work as well. That's it. Now the last couple pieces you want to do on the back of the bike here, after you remove the seat, are going to be these 10 mil bolts holding the back of the tank on, and these larger Phillips screws holding the side fairings on. I wouldn't say you would have to take off these fairings, but when they're off, it makes it a little bit easier to maneuver the tank when you have to tip it back. We're not removing the tank completely, but we're going to be lifting the front of it up so that we can reach the airbox. So now they are actually loose. That's as loose as they need to be. Basically, you're all done. All right, now that we have that all loosened up, the tank will now, you see that? It'll move. So the tricky part is trying to tip it back, but not too far, because you still have lines that actually go into the tank to the engine, and you don't want to pull those out or stress those or break those. So what we're going to do is we're going to tip it back to the point where we need it and just prop it up. All right, now I borrowed a couple hands so that we can hold it up so you guys can actually see. There are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 mil bolts that hold the lid down. All right, let's take a look at this thing. How do you get it off? Oh, gross. How my hand? Okay, not as bad as I might think, but honestly, it does look like it's seen better days. Yeah, so let's order one in and swap it out. Now your last step after you've taken the air filter out and you've got a new filter for it is you just want to wipe all the kind of debris and sand and dirt and bugs that actually gets accumulated in here. Make sure that's all cleaned out and you're finished. After you bolt everything back up together, you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now you get to enjoy me drum solo for the next couple seconds.